Hello, Internet. My name is Vikram. I'd like to introduce you to Ardent. Ardent lets you clone any Postgres database in 6 seconds flat, regardless of data size, so that your developers or coding agents can operate directly on the database, test their work without any infrastructure overhead. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here we have Ardent already set up. I have a Postgres database connected, and so we're going to do Ardent connector list to see that Postgres DB. The nice thing about Ardent is it doesn't require any migrations. You can still be on RDS or Supabase or Planet Scale, and we plug right in and give it the ability to clone. So there's no sort of platform migration that you have to do. And so now we're going to create a new clone. What we're going to do is do Ardent branch create, and we're going to do demo show 5. We just have to wait a few seconds, and there we go. We have a clone of a Postgres database. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give it to Claude, and we're going to have it do some exploring. So we're going to say, tell me how big the DBs in here are. And so Claude will go, write a command. There we go. We've cloned a database that's 1.6 terabytes in a few seconds. And we can do this infinitely. We can continue to clone over and over and over as many times as we want. So we can give every dev, every agent a database. And now let's do something. So I'll say go to the tpch data in here and add a row to it. So let's assume this is something I'd want to do on production, because this would be a clone of production. Well, I don't really have to guess what this will look like, or I don't have to clone any data down, or I don't have to really just do a schema only thing, which means I can't actually see what happens. I just have an exact clone of the actual operation, so we can actually see it's listed all these things out. There you go. It's added tpch region right there. So we've essentially allowed you now to create these isolated environments as part of your development workflow. And so I hope that you guys will get some value out of this and will be able to use this to actually allow coding agents to work on the database layer to make your life a lot easier and to validate all the database code that you're generating before they go to production. So if this is something you'd like to use, please just shoot me a DM.